Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. Where am I going? I'm on my way up to South Coast OC Cars and Coffee. Last one of the year because of the pandemic. Gotta hit this one up. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be crazy. It's the last one for a while. But before we head up, I'm actually on my way up to meet up with a bunch of GTRs. Yes, a little GTR invite. Why am I so excited about OC Cars and Coffee? I know I've been there a million times, but it's worth it. Meeting up with my boy Alex, Toxic Garages. I'm gonna check out his new wide body. First in the world, wide body C8 Corvette. So GTR meetup, OC, South OC Cars and Coffee, and first wide body C8 Corvette on our way. Let's get it. Well, like straight skinny fashion, I am late. Just got here, but they're heading out. But look at this lineup. This lineup is crazy right now. It is GTR straight central all around. Oh my gosh. So I know the drive up is gonna be nuts right now. So let me just head in the car and head on up to South Coast OC. This is gonna be madness, I can tell. Madness. Oh, we will get to that car a little bit later. I can't give you too much. You gotta wait, Guys, look at all the GTRs. This is nuts. Wow. Yes, it's a GTR drive, but this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. Woo! Wow. I've never seen so many in one place before. This is crazy. Really excited for this drive. Talk about twinning goals. Twin goals. I like that.
Shit's clean, doggy.
No, that's hard.
Shit's clean.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Look at that. Twin goals right there. That's what I'm talking about. Come on now. I need my boys to get R8s, R8 crew with matching wraps. Like that's amazing. You guys see us South Coast, I'm telling you, there are a ton of different types of cars. I say it over and over and over again. You guys have to come to this event because there's so many vehicles out here and all different, and you will not be disappointed. So I know we're at South Coast. We are not here to walk around and check out all the beautiful modified cars. We are here for something else. I'm gonna meet up with my boy Alex. We're gonna do a full review on his bagged wide body, first wide body C8 in the world. Yes, we're gonna get a review on it, get a ride in it, and check it out. I'm super pumped, super excited. So here we go. All right, guys, before we get to the immaculate, can't show you too much, wide body C8, first in the world, we're gonna hit up another run real quick, right? Another run?
Oh yeah, another run.
Another car show, toy drive. We'll be there in a minute, you guys will see. Hang on tight. Man, that car sounds so crazy. I love the turbos. Wow. We made it, guys. We're here to drop off some toys. Always. We're rolling deep with the crew, though. Check this out.
Hey, how are you, bro?
It is GTR Nation right now. Like, GTRs everywhere. GTR there. GTR there. GTR there. It's all over the place. Taking over. Of course, I got the supercar pack. Why not? Okay, you guys, as you've heard and always hear, the GTRs are one of the cars you can make extremely fast. Well, the one right here in front of me is supposed to have 2,000 horsepower. You heard me, 2,000 horsepower. Look at this thing. I love the white with the red lip. But look at this. Look at this engine bay. Woo! 2,000 horsepower. Oh My God. On the way down there, he said that there were all these cars kept trying to race him and race him and race him. When he dropped the gear, the flames came out the back. He said they all came back in the back and then tried to race me. You have to explain to the people what the heck you did to your car.
This was going on here. We have an Alpha 10 build, okay? The blow-off valves, we went big on everything. The whole engine was taken out, and everything that we got possibly upgraded was upgraded. So the engine was taken out, and we built the whole thing up from the Rudy to the Tootie. So from the radiator to the suspension to the tranny, everything's been done. 1,800 horsepower, 5 maps, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 map is a Godzilla mode. That's when she's really angry. She spits out 4-foot flames.
Angry Godzilla mode. Did you guys catch that? I'm just saying.
And we have something what I do called a thunderclap. And when the car gets next to me, I'll drop it again and shoot out, and it'll make a loud thunder sound, shooting out a flame. And most of the time, guys on the race have to see that. So we call it the thunderclap. She's called the God of War. Woo! And that's the reason why I call it the God of War.
I told you guys, he told me that when he dropped the gear, blue flames, everybody backed up and they tried to race us. Because they can't race us.
They dropped back to everybody else. Let me pick on somebody else.
Oh, that is awesome, man. 2,000 horsepower. Wow. I'm nervous. I'm nervous what they're gonna show me. You guys have no idea. I don't know. I have any idea either what they're gonna show me. They're gonna show me something funny, apparently. All right. I mean, let me see.
No.
Not yet. Okay, gotta bring it over the car. All right. Surprise me with something. I'm getting a little nervous.
All right, so Skinny.
Okay.
So you have won the award of the day. Okay.
Okay.
So you won this nice envelope. Okay.
Okay.
You ready? You ready?
I'm watching.
All right.
That is awesome.
There you go.
That is awesome.
There you go.
Yes, that is definitely going on. All right, guys, we're gonna get to finally what you've been waiting for. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm gonna stop snaking you. Our fun and shenanigans are pretty much over for the day, and we're gonna talk about the world's first, yes, I said it, and I'll say it again, the world's first wide-body C8. They say they've done it before. They're lying, because it's the first one ever. And who has it? My boy Alex. Once again, you guys know him as Toxic Garages. You've seen him before. Crazy mods and just kill it. He kills it. Let me let him talk about the build because it has so many things done to it. It's insane. From custom carbon fiber, of course the wide body, rims, airbags, all that good stuff. So let's just get to it. All right, let him know, mad scientist. What do we got?
Well, we got the 2020 C8 Corvette. I've had the car for about 5 months. Went on full air suspension, first in the world to do full air suspension. Also did that 48 hours into owning the car. Woo. Picked it up, shot a couple photos stock, shipped it off to my buddy Ray over at Airlift Performance, Air Ride Equipment. Hooked it up, took care of it, amazing. Drove the car, enjoyed it, loved it. Had to have the carbon fiber. So a lot of the carbon's now been kind of taken off because of the body kit, but we did the roof, the mirrors, we have the grill inserts.
I can't not tell him. Show him. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Custom roof, guys. So you tell me what C8 Corvette has a custom carbon fiber roof. This has to be another first in the world.
You can buy them with the carbon roof, but this one was custom made because the carbon actually is the entire roof, and we painted over it.
Oh, wow.
So it blends the body line with the whole roof is carbon. Mirrors are aftermarket carbon. Door handles, we used to have rockers. We had a high wing spoiler that was carbon. Huge thanks to Pandem. Pandem did an amazing job. Mira is an artist on this thing. So all the renderings that everyone saw, the white rendering of the car that came out was actually a rendering off of my car that they scanned at SEMA Garage. Mira, again, an artist, designed everything up, made the kit, shipped it over from Japan. LTMW did the install, killed it. Pandem USA killed it. Rich over at LD97 did the 3-piece forged wheels that fit the car perfectly. And last but not least, you cannot forget, you gotta have Toyo tires on them with those R888Rs. Huge thanks to everyone that's been part of this build. Could not have done it without them.
Just look at the girth on the C8 Corvette. Very well put together. Nothing cheap about this car. Nothing cheap about this build. All done proper. And the carbon mirrors, definitely to the wide body. Like we do things big over here, right?
Absolutely. And the car's got to sound good too, right? Because you
Oh,
heard
yeah.
it today. Sounds
Oh,
good.
yeah.
So we got the prototype Borla attack on it. Huge thanks to them for that also, which just wakes this car up.
Let's go to the clip right now. You can listen to it. Headphone users, take them out. But come on guys, you have to appreciate this. Once again, we're bringing you the world's first wide body C8 Corvette. No one has done this. He's the first and only to do this project. And I'm sure many more are gonna follow and many more are gonna try and copy, but I'm just saying, hey, I love this kit. It's gonna stand out between all the other kits.
And then no one's seen it except for you, but you saw the wrap ideas.
I
so
did.
What do you kind of think of that without giving away any secrets on it?
One hint, it's coming off a multi-million-dollar vehicle. That's all I'll give you. Once again, guys, the world's first, I'll say it again, the world's first wide body C8 Corvette. Shoot him a follow on Instagram. He kills it with his pictures, with his builds. I mean, the man knows what he's doing because every car he touches, I'm telling you, just freaking turns to gold. He's already telling me what I need to do to my car.
Air suspension.
He's already telling me what to do to my car. I'm gonna listen to him because obviously
Hey.
he can build a car, obviously.
But see, here's the thing. I love spending someone else's money too, so it's even that much better when it's not mine.
Wow. Hey, you sound like my wife. Kidding, honey. I know you make your own money. I'm just, don't get mad. Just, it was a joke. Just a joke. Only one thing left to do. Can we go for a ride? So I gotta feel this thing.
I think we can.
Wow. Yeah, it gets up there. She gets up there. I'll tell you what. Wow. Listen to that exhaust. It's Borla, custom Borla exhaust. Do they make this for all C8 Corvettes yet?
It's going to be.
Going to be. Wow. Let's say it again. The 101 Borla exhaust. All you other C8 owners you're watching, it's coming soon, but this thing sounds mean. Nice and throaty, like I said, deep. It sounds amazing. So off the bat, it's my first time in a C8, and it's like being in a fighter jet. You literally have your own cockpit.
Oh no, everything's aimed definitely towards the driver for sure. It's weird when I'm in the passenger seat if I let like a friend or a family member drive. It's weird.
That's a speaker right here.
Yeah, so I think it's got like 18 speakers or something. It's all Bose sound system. It'll shake mirrors. It's good.
Hear that, ladies? It'll shake mirrors.
Ah.
We'll give you dollars, quarters, make it hell. Yes. Yes. I like it a lot. Wow. The exhaust is mean, dude.
Oh yeah.
Mean. Now I get the comparison so everyone wants to say this is a supercar because honestly, it performs just like a supercar. So I'm just gonna say it's a supercar. It's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Mid-engine, has the horsepower. It's rare. Yeah, it's like an exotic. This is wow.
And we have the full mag ride suspension still on the car with air
With the
suspension.
bags. Ooh. See, now you're talking my language. I like my Air Mag suspension on my car. I get to keep it. Yeah.
Full mag ride, everything is perfectly
Yes.
intact, and the air. So you're the best of both worlds.
Wow. See, okay. Now you're speaking my language.
There you go.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. I think the C8 Corvette is a supercar. I'm just saying, it reacts, responds exactly like a supercar. And the cops are always trying to find us because you can hear the laser going off.
Oh yeah. Always.
That is supercar-esque right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Yes. More, please. Wow. Wow. So once again, guys, say it again. World's first wide body C8 Corvette, and it's bagged. Before we go, let's just take another look. How low can you go? Can you go to the float? Can you go to the float? Can you bring it to the top? You never stop. Okay, let me stop. Forget copyrighted. He is tucked on the ground. On the ground. World's first wide body C8 Corvette, and it's on bags. Please hit up my man on Instagram at Toxic Garages. You can check out the start of his build to the finish to the end. He's still not done yet. He's still got a wrap coming. Like I said, I've seen the rendering. It looks nasty, but trust me, hang on tight because he is not done yet. You want to say before we wrap up?
Thank you for everything as always. You're amazing.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, anytime, bro. And just like that, guys, we're gonna end on the world's first wide-body C8 Corvette. Join the Roku fam. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button right there. Bam, on your right-hand side. ShopSkinny'sRoad.com. Get the merch. Support your boy. And just like that, guys, Skinny's Road. And we out.